If you're trying to create a project and you have a bunch of random thoughts on bunches of little sticky paper notes, you can give them to AI and ask AI to organize them. It's really good at finding patterns. Can take those patterns and turn them into an outline format. You have to give it a prompt that indicates exactly what it's supposed to do. So I did, this was something I did. If you watch a later video, you'll see it too. Act as a computer hardware expert. Use a list of 20 computer words previously generated. So when I show you the example, I started with 20 words, and this is part way down. Categorize the terms into basic computer hardware categories and present it in an outline format. I'll take a second and actually show you the way I developed this in pieces, but I asked it to generate a list of 20 terms, and it decided to give me the term and numbered them, gave me a term and a definition, which is really good. And so I said, that's really nice, but I really didn't want the definitions. Can you just give me the terms? So it did that. And then I said, I'm really, for what I'm going to do, I appreciate the terms, but I don't want the numbers on them. So it took the numbers off for me. And then the next thing I did was say, okay, so now here's this set of 20 terms. Please organize them, categorize them into an outline format. And I just added a note in here because I did have to remind it partway through. Sometimes it's good to remind AI who it is and what it's doing, because it might get lost in the weeds. With the quizzing, sometimes it will. I said, do multiple choice and true and false and short answer. And it did one, and it stuck on the short answer. And I said, you're supposed to be doing true and false and multiple. Oh, that's right. I forgot. I'm so sorry. So sometimes you have to keep reminding it. But here is exactly the correct categorization of computer hardware, and it put its terms into the proper categories. I'm not going to show you the rest because that comes up in a future video, but it can develop an outline like this for you. It can be very, very helpful.